like to introduce you to our Pacefeeder. This is a slow hay feeder for horses. We have two models. We have this one here, which is a standard model, which is 24 inches high, which will be suitable for ponies. And then we have this tall model, which is 30 inches high, and that will be suitable for cobs and for horses. I'd just like to introduce you to some of the features of the Pacefeeder. In the Pacefeeder, we have, this is the grid, which slides down along these two webbing straps. We also have a false floor, a sump in this Pacefeeder. And at the side here, you'll see there is a bung to let the water out, should the water collect in the bottom. The hay dust and seed collects underneath this false floor, which sits there as a panel on top of the sump. The natural position for this Pacefeeder is actually in the corner of the stable. We recommend that people secure the Pacefeeder in the corner by putting in a screw into either side through the pre-drilled area here. In addition, the grid is held in position by these ball cords. The ball cord comes through the hole here and is held in position by these self-fastening cleats. Here we have a bag full of hay, approximately 7 kilos, and we're going to fill the standard Pacefeeder. The larger Pacefeeder holds about 9 kilos of dry hay. So the hay is now in the Pacefeeder. We'll just flatten it out somewhat. Put the grid back on. Put a ball cord in on either side and into the cleat, and it's held in position. Likewise on this side, through the hole, and both the cleat. And then the horse is ready to start eating. We recommend that you maybe just introduce it by pulling a little bit of hay so the horse gets the message. We'd like to show you another grid which we've developed, which is probably the best of both worlds, meaning that using the Pacefeeder and using the tried and tested slow hay feed nets. This is ideal for people who want to use very long hay or chopped hay for that matter. It simply replaces the existing grid here. It's held in position by the same two webbing straps and locked in position by the two ball cords. It simply rests down on top of it, and likewise it's just secured. So the same mechanism is used, and the horse is able to just pick through these holes. These holes are 40 millimeters, whereas the hole in our standard grid is 70 millimeters. It's just something that has been asked for, and we have supplied an alternative for people. So this is the netting grid which we developed, fitted into the tall Pacefeeder. It's held in position by the same webbing straps and the ball cord, and it's secured in the same way. And it just travels down in the same way as the standard Pacefeeder grid. It's just secured here in the locked in and travels down all the way down to the bottom.